Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add related post sections in WordPress blog. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute. So we are going to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins, then click on add new and search here related post and install this plugin. Activate, and I'm going to open a post, and here you can see related post section has been added. And now let's see how to customize the related post section. So hover over settings and then you will find this here option, click on it, and from here you can customize the plugin according to your requirements. So post types to include post, page, media, landing page. Make sure to select all this option. Okay, from here you can change the theme. You can select the list style, or you can select thumbnail. So after that, click on save changes, and that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute. Thanks for watching this video.